Okay, let's make some Betty Crocker macadamia nut. It's white chip macadamia nut. All you need is 1/3 cup softened butter and 1 egg. I'm also going to add some vanilla though. Just pour a mix in. The egg is at room temperature. And the butter was softened by sitting it out on the counter. I'm gonna cut the butter up. Smaller pieces to help it mix easier. Shake up my vanilla a little bit to reincorporate the ingredients. Added 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Now we mix it. That's the stove. It's been preheated to 350. Here's the batter. I have my parchment lined cookie sheet already ready. And here's my cookie scoop. hands are clean. Don't ever be in the kitchen cooking or baking with dirty hands. So now we're gonna take these and put them in the oven. And it says 17 to 19 minutes at 350. Here's the final product. Cooked for 14 minutes. Glad I checked them. They would have overcooked. I had set it for 17 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna taste test one of the white chip macadamia nuts. This is really good. I would make these again. I do like the vanilla in there. I gotta tell you, Betty Crocker, I like her cookie mixes and some of her cake frostings. Not so much her cakes. My favorite cake mix to use is Duncan Hines. And in my area, brownie mixes, really the only ones we can find are by Pillsbury. And they're okay. But yeah, Betty Crocker cookie mixes, they're the way to go. And you can see the chips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking with Buffy.